A is for apple. Apple. A is for ant. Ant. A is for arrow. Arrow. B is for book. Book. B is for bed. Bed. B is for bike. Bike. C is for cow. Cow. C is for cat. Cat. C is for cake. Cake. D is for dog. Dog. D is for duck. Duck. D is for drum. Drum. E is for egg. Egg. E is for ear. Ear. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. F is for flower. Flower. F is for frog. Frog. G is for gloves. Gloves. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. G is for goat. Goat. H is for horse. Horse. H is for house. House. H is for hammer. Hammer. I is for ink. Ink. I is for insect. Insect. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for juice. Juice. J is for jam. Jam. J is for jelly. Jelly. K is for kick. Kick. K is for kiwi. Kiwi. K is for kite. Kite. L is for leaf. Leaf. L is for lion. Lion. L is for lemon. Lemon. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for mango. Mango. M is for map. Map. N is for nose. Nose. N is for net. Net. N is for nurse. Nurse. O is for otter. Otter. O is for oven. Oven. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pig. Pig. P is for potato. Potato. P is for planet. Planet. Q is for queen. Queen. Q is for quack. Quack. Q is for quiet. Quiet. R is for run. Run. R is for rose. Rose. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for spider. Spider. S is for sing. Sing. S is for snail. Snail. T is for tiger. Tiger. T is for tree. Tree. T is for train. Train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. U is for upstairs. Upstairs. V is for vet. Vet. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for wolf. Wolf. W is for whale. Whale. W is for water. Water. X is for X-ray. X-ray. X is for fox. X fox. X is for X-ray tetra. X-ray tetra. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Y is for yoga. Yoga. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z is for zest. Zest. Z is for zip. Zip.
Say again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.